Millions of men worldwide face prostate health challenges, particularly as they age, with conditions like an enlarged prostate becoming increasingly common. Many dismiss the early symptoms of these issues, such as frequent urination or difficulty maintaining a steady stream, which often leads to worsening problems over time. Prostate health plays a critical role in overall well-being, impacting urinary health, hormonal balance, and even kidney function. Have you ever wondered if there are natural ways to improve prostate function without medication? By the end of this video, you'll learn 10 powerful strategies that can enhance your prostate health naturally, protect against serious conditions, and help maintain a better quality of life. One of the most effective ways to improve prostate health is by incorporating a diet rich in anti-inflammatory and nutrient-dense foods. Tomatoes, for example, are packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation in the prostate and helps prevent enlargement. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain sulforaphane, a compound that supports hormonal balance and lowers the risk of prostate cancer. Avoiding processed foods high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial additives is equally important, as they can increase inflammation and strain the urinary system. Instead, focus on whole foods that provide the vitamins and minerals your prostate needs to function optimally. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below. Hydration is essential for urinary and prostate health, but it's important to drink the right amount of water. Staying adequately hydrated helps flush out toxins and supports kidney health, which is closely tied to prostate function. However, overhydration, especially late at night, can lead to frequent urination, a common symptom of an enlarged prostate. Balancing hydration with your daily activities and avoiding bladder irritants like caffeinated or sugary drinks can reduce urinary symptoms and improve overall comfort. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of better prostate health. Exercise promotes improved circulation, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients to the prostate and surrounding organs. Activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can also reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance, decreasing the risk of prostate issues over time. For men with diabetes or insulin resistance, exercise is particularly critical, as maintaining stable blood sugar levels directly supports prostate health by preventing further complications like inflammation or hormone imbalances. Adding omega-3 fatty acids to your diet is another powerful way to improve prostate health naturally. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, as well as flax seeds and walnuts, have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling in the prostate. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in conditions like an enlarged prostate and prostate cancer, making omega-3s an essential nutrient. High-quality omega-3 supplements are a convenient option for men who don't consume enough of these foods regularly, offering long-term protection against prostate-related issues. Probiotics, often associated with gut health, also play a significant role in maintaining a healthy prostate. A balanced microbiome supports nutrient absorption, reduces inflammation, and prevents harmful bacteria from causing urinary tract infections, which are common in men with prostate issues. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are natural sources of probiotics, but supplements can offer a more targeted approach for those seeking maximum benefits. By improving gut health, probiotics indirectly enhance prostate health and reduce the severity of urinary symptoms. Stress management is a critical yet often overlooked aspect of prostate health. Chronic stress disrupts hormonal balance, including testosterone and cortisol levels, potentially worsening symptoms of an enlarged prostate or increasing the risk of requiring hormone replacement therapy. Incorporating stress-reducing practices like meditation, deep breathing, or even engaging in hobbies can improve mental health while supporting hormonal balance. Reducing stress also lowers inflammation throughout the body, benefiting not just the prostate, but also heart and kidney health. Proper blood sugar management is essential for prostate health, especially for men with diabetes or prediabetes. High blood sugar damages blood vessels, reduces nutrient delivery to the prostate, and increases inflammation, exacerbating symptoms of prostate issues. A diet low in refined sugars and rich in fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, protecting against long-term complications. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is key for identifying potential risks and taking proactive steps to safeguard prostate health. Certain supplements specifically target prostate health, providing nutrients that may be difficult to obtain in sufficient quantities through diet alone. Saw palmetto, for example, has been shown to reduce urinary symptoms caused by an enlarged prostate by inhibiting hormone imbalances that contribute to gland enlargement. Zinc is another vital nutrient for prostate health, supporting immune function and hormonal regulation. Other supplements like selenium, vitamin D, and beta-sitosterol have been found to reduce inflammation and improve urinary flow, making them valuable additions to a natural prostate health routine. Maintaining heart health is essential for improving prostate function, as the prostate relies on adequate blood flow for nutrient delivery and waste removal. Poor cardiovascular health often leads to reduced circulation, which can worsen prostate issues and urinary symptoms. Regular aerobic exercise, a heart-healthy diet, and avoiding tobacco use are all steps that protect both the heart and the prostate. Omega-3s, mentioned earlier, also contribute to heart health, further strengthening the connection between cardiovascular and prostate function. Avoiding prolonged sitting is a simple yet highly effective way to improve prostate health. Sitting for long periods increases pressure on the pelvic region, reduces blood flow to the prostate, and can exacerbate symptoms of an enlarged prostate. For men with desk jobs or sedentary lifestyles, taking regular breaks to stand, stretch, or walk can improve circulation and reduce discomfort. Investing in an ergonomic chair or standing desk can also help minimize the impact of extended sitting on prostate function. Let's summarize it. Prostate health is essential to overall well-being, and improving it naturally is entirely within reach. From adopting an anti-inflammatory diet rich in nutrients, omega-3s, and probiotics to managing stress, exercising regularly, and taking targeted supplements, there are countless ways to protect and enhance prostate function. Blood sugar control, heart health, and avoiding prolonged sitting further support prostate and urinary health, reducing the risk of complications like an enlarged prostate or the need for prostate cancer treatment. How will you take action today to protect your prostate and maintain your quality of life? These small but impactful changes can make a significant difference. Start now and invest in your long-term health. And now, keep watching for more health tips.